Linking your bank account to Postmates is essential for receiving payments for your deliveries. Follow these steps to set it up easily. Step 1. Open the Postmates app. Launch the Postmates app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on the profile icon or the menu option to navigate to your account settings. Look for the section labeled Payment or Bank Account. Step 3. Select Add Bank Account. In the payment settings, find the option to add a bank account. This may be labeled as Add Payment Method or Link Bank Account. Step 4. Enter your bank details. Fill in the required information, including your bank account number and routing number. Double-check the details to avoid any errors. Step 5. Confirm and save. After entering your bank information, confirm the details and save your changes. You may receive a verification email or notification confirming the link. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account will be linked to Postmates, allowing you to receive payments seamlessly. If you encounter any issues, consult the help section of the app for further assistance.